that noise was. I heard some crazy clanking sound out here, so I had to come out and see what was going on.
Wonder what they're doing.
They must be cleaning out the drains or something, or the sewer system or something. I just called the water department yesterday, too, about fluoridating my water. I don't want fluoride in my water. I do not give the water department permission to put fluoride in my water. It's classified as a drug by the FDA, a poison by the EPA. You can't have it both ways. There's always something going on down here. Always.